Question 1. By using a suitable substitution, solve the equation, and here's the equation. Now when we're talking about solving the equation with substitution, we are talking about replacing a complex expression using a simple term. Now what is the most complex expression in our equation? Well, that's going to be the 2x minus 3 squared. We can start by replacing this with a simpler term, such as a. Once we do that, we're going to get a minus 4 over a minus 3 equals 0. The first thing we notice is we have a at the denominator here, but here we don't have them. And in order to simplify this expression, we need to have a as the denominator under both the first term and the last term. The way we can do that is by multiplying a on both the top and the bottom for those terms. Okay, now that we have a common denominator, I am going to combine all of these three terms into one. So we're going to get a as the common denominator, and at the top we will get a times a squared, minus 4, minus 3 times a is 3a. Now we'll take a from the denominator to the right hand side, and that's going to become 0. So we'll get a squared minus 3a minus 4. I just rearranged the top a little bit. Now this is a quadratic equation, and we can use middle-term factorization to find out the factors. So mentally doing the math, I get minus 4a plus a minus 4. And with practice, you can do mentally as well. Once we're done with middle-term factorization, I can take further factors by taking a as common, so we get a minus 4. And we can take 1 as common here. So whenever you don't have anything, you can always take 1 as common. Further factorizing it, we have a minus 4 as common, leaving us a plus 1. Okay. Now at this stage, either this expression is 0 or this expression is 0, and multiplication of any expression with a 0 will be equal to 0. So we can write a minus 4 equals 0, or a plus 1 equals 0. That implies a equals 4, or a equals minus 1. Now remember, in the beginning, we replaced 2x minus 3 squared with a. We're going to replace it back. So we're going to write 2x minus 3 squared equals 4, or 2x minus 3 squared equals negative 1. Now we see that this is not possible because the square of any term does not leave a negative number. So we'll say this is not applicable. We'll move on with this equation. So if we take a root over on both sides, we will get a 2x minus 3 equals plus 2, or a 2x minus 3 equals minus 2. So rearranging the equation, we get x equals 5 over 2, or x equals 1 over 2. And that is our answer.